shows a uniform meter rule. So if you look at this particular question, the way it is, this is a uniform meter rule. So this is what? 100 centimeters. A meter rule, that is 100 centimeters. So it can be balanced by a knife edge, anything. So I just want you to understand what I am doing and the calculations that I am doing here. The question is saying, calculate the weight of the meter rule. How can you calculate the weight of the meter rule? I told you, the first thing you need to do, you need to find the center where all masses seems to be acting on all forces. So it is at 50. This is already at what? 50, which means that the work has been made simple. So this is what? This is already at the center. This side is 50, this side is 50. How can we answer this particular question? To answer this question, since the pivot is here, this is where the pivot is. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to use the principle of moment. So this one that is here, this is in the clockwise direction. It is going like this. This one is anti-clockwise. A clock moves like this. So meaning this one is going in that direction, which is anti-clockwise. So what I'm going to do, this is what I need to do. So I want you to understand the calculations that I'm doing here. This one from here to the pivot, have you seen? So I've got the formula I'm using is force 1 times distance 1 is equal to force 2 times distance 2. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to say this one, this is the force, which is 50, multiplied by the distance from here to where the pivot is, where the mass and the pivot. So this is 90, this is 70. The distance there, the difference. What is the difference? What is the difference? The difference is 20. So the difference is what? 20. Since this is 20 centimeters, I need to convert to meters. So I divide by what? I divide by 100. I'm going to get 0.2. So I'm saying 0. What? 0.2, which is equal to. This is equal to now. What is the force that is there? This is the same weight I'm taught to calculate weight times the distance. What is the distance there? What is the distance? Have you seen 70 and 50? That is 20. I do the same, divide what? Divide the 2, divide the 100. 20 divided 100, I'm going to get 0.2. So I calculate for W, then I'm done. This is so simple. So what I'm going to do here, if I multiply, I say 50 multiplied by 0.2. What answer am I going to get? I'm going to get a 10 here. So if I say 50 times 0.2, I'm getting a 10. So 10 is equal to 0.2, have you seen? 0.2 W if I multiply. I now divide both sides by what? 0.2. Even here I divide by 0.2. So 0.2, 0.2 cancelled. W is equal to what? This same 10 that is here. So 10 divide 0.2. What is the answer? The answer is 50 what? 50 newtons. So this is the weight. I will just say, therefore, the weight of the meter rule is, the weight is what? 50 newtons. So I'm done. This is what you are supposed to do. Just like